This is a brilliant flat. It is such a find for £70,000 with its own garden. Just have a wee look round the back. For £70,000, you've got your own main door and then a lovely garden at the back. What a great space. Right, let's have a look inside. This is such a nice flat. So we've done a bit of work here. It was painted quite a wild colour and I wanted to freshen it up and to go brighter, as in lighter, but it was impossible because it was so dark. I've went with a colour that's lifted it but masked the darker colour that was on the walls. This flat was so nice already. What we're doing here is really upgrading it rather than ripping everything out and starting again. And it already had really great energy efficient radiators, and they're quite expensive, these things, so it's really great that they're already here. Through this lovely little corridor. Got this dark grey in here, which I hate. Got a really good sized bedroom, and it's got mirrored wardrobes in here as well. It was like a purple colour in here and we just painted it white. Look at the size of these wardrobes, huge. The person in here before was clearly a lover of fashion because there are so many different shelves, hangers, rails, all kinds of things in here. And then in the kitchen, a bit of work's happened in here. This was dark, and whilst it was actually, the units are in really good condition, and you know I hate to throw things out if they don't need to. It's well proportioned as well, so why would you? I got the guys in from That's a Wrap, and we have wrapped the worktops, the splashbacks, wrapped the units, and I went for 2 different colours because I like to mix it up. And then we put in, I've used this before actually, this Frank Tectonite sink. Their quality, they're really good. They're a wee bit more expensive, but they last well and they look great, and it's really nice and deep, which I love. New colours on the wall, new blinds. Managed to keep the old handles, which is great. That's original, that was here before. We changed this because it was really dark and a bit minging, to be honest. I always try and keep things that are of good condition and good value, because I just hate the thought of putting things into a landfill site when they don't need to be. This little flat for £70,000 is going to rent for £650 a month. Incredible value. And once you've paid all your fees, paid your taxes, paid everything else and the works that you've done in the property, then you're still getting a 10% return, and that's with a mortgage as well. I'm really happy, and I'm happy for this client because this is a great little find. Oh, and did I mention that there's a huge loft up there? There's ladders that come down, it's all floored, and it's like extra storage up there, so it's almost like having a second bedroom. Brilliant! Really, really pleased with it. Happy client.
Yeah.